So here I am at Hobby Hut Pet Shop. It's not your normal aquarium or fish store. It sells more than just fish supplies and stock. Right, let's go in to find out more about this place. So this pet store slash fish store actually sells several different products for different pets, such as dog, fish, cat, bird, and they even sell bird. And in some cases you can actually order your fish so as to, you know, you can order your dog, should I say. Persons might carry listings of the dog available, and you call in and you come in and check up to see whether or not you want this dog or that. So they have different sections. Like this is the pet shop that I mostly go to. So here's accessories for pets like dogs. Right? And we have the dog brush, we have the dog toys, lotion, cat stuff. And these are the that are making the noise, bird. Alright, so in Jamaica it's a different thing from where you're at, where you might have strictly aquarium based, or should I say aquatic based store where they sell a lot of fish and things that belong within the fish tank, right? In Jamaica they sell everything jumbled together as a pet shop. So you have a lot of birds, you have a lot of pet food. I'm going there in a bit. Right? You have different types of birds. Each bird price according to the region, availability, all that. So you might find some birds be more expensive than some, right? And in the best price, right? You have several different birds. You also have hamsters and rabbits, right? And guinea pigs. And don't forget the bird cage, the bird nest. That if you buy the bird and you intend to keep the bird and breed the bird, for it to be breeding, you get one of these boxes, right, for breeding purposes. And here you have the aquatic section where they have forest plants, right? And you have different types of plants. All these are forest plants, different colors, and depending on your tasting, you put them together to have a nice, arrangement. And these are the stone for your aquarium substrate, different color, blue, purple, red, pink, right? And the different type, different texture. Some are finer than some are very fine, some are large, some are medium, right? This is like the aquatic section, forest plants and stones and decoration, right? And going over to here, you have this section mainly for the larger birds, where you have bird nests, right? Like probably some parts they will go in here. And here you have some beta tanks. As I said before, it's mixed up. They have things for both, the dog, the cat, the hamster, the rabbit, the fish, everything. And I think this is a filtration box, right? For those persons who have ponds, these are for outdoor filtration system. Yeah. So, and these are some beta bowls and containers. This is a nice little aquarium, it's made up of acrylic, right? And it has a few lights. on top. We'll actually place probably a beta fish in it, and that will be it. Using a beta little container, a beta container. Alright, and as it says, it's a beta bowl. Alright, and these are the what I call goldfish bowls, which I've always been talking about. Right, I have different type, size available here, and here you have more decoration. You place these in the aquarium after you've purchased the ornaments such as the false plants and the substrate. You place little decorations inside, right? And also, what would a pet shop or slash a shop or a store that deals with fish do without medication? So here I will get my medication for my fish if I suspect that my fish are sick. So these are different types of medication that are sold. You would actually, and there's no like vet. You would have to do your own diagnosis based on YouTube, readings, and experience. You get your medication so as to, you know, some pet store in some countries you would have like a little section where you have a little veterinarian section where the vet would actually carry your pet and the vet will tell you what's wrong. In Jamaica you have vets, but that's like not for the normal person who would have a little fish that is experiencing some white spot. These are, I think these are hamsters. Right, these are hamsters. Right, and these are over here on this section filtration containers. It depends on the size that you have, the size pump that you have. You buy it and you attach it to your aquarium, right? And that will be good, right? And you have big bowls and you have large bowls for your aquarium. And at the front here, you have some bigger size bowls. Alright, so and you have cages for your birds, depending on the size bird that you have. You have small cage, you have large cage, right? And you also have the little kennel for the dog, right? And you have a few aquariums, which I'll show you in a bit. Now, one thing I like this pet shop for is the fact that it has, these are bird cages. One thing I like this pet shop for is here are some rabbits, right? So rabbits. As I said before, this place is known for rabbits, hamsters, birds, and fish. Right? These are some rabbits. Okay, rabbits. They say that your fish breed like rabbits. You must know what I'm talking about. They breed profusely. Right? There's a little pond with some toys in it. And I don't have my underwater camera, my waterproof camera, so I won't go into that water. One thing I like about this pet shop is that it have a whole array. It have a lot of, should I say, it have choices for fish food, right? So it has, well, these are the ones that you use, right? These are the ones that sink when it wet, it sink, but because my fish was not used to it from a long time, they tend not to like it. Especially, I usually feed this to my flicker, but they never like it, right? So I stop and I just continue to feed it with the koi sticks. Right, these are some other similar. I think the fine one is they are out of the fine one. These are the koi sticks, right? So they would purchase them in large bags like these, and then they would weigh them and they would sell them retail in this size. And these are the flakes, right? And rabbit food, I think. Right, rabbit food. So you have a whole array of food that is weighed out and is stocked on shelf for you to take out what you want. I think they are low on some, right? These are some rabbits. These rabbits are here, right? And look at the probably baby rabbits. Yeah, baby rabbits, right? Okay. No, that's not baby rabbit. That's like guinea pig. It's a guinea pig. It's a guinea pig. Right. So, they also stock several size aquariums. They actually have someone who actually makes them, makes the aquarium, and make them with both the cabinet and the top section. You don't get the cover for it though. And you actually can get the aquarium here, different size. Usually 18 by 24, or some cases you might have a little bit taller, right? And they come in a little cabinet, a little pricey but really neat, right? And this is a section in which probably most persons have been looking for. Is the section with the fish. This is the largest Oscar in the store. It's not for sale. I think somebody have already laid claims on it. These are some new stock of fish that have just came in. They are presently in quarantine for sale. They came in last Thursday, so they're staying here for a bit, right? And here you have the racks with the fish. So you have for every 3 racks, for every 3 aquarium, 1, 2, 3, it's filtered, right? So it's the same system filtered. So if I'm purchasing a fish and I see a fish looking sick over here, I know that I cannot purchase a fish from here now here because it's the same filtration system. So every 3 is the same filtration system. They sell both local bred and imported bred fish. So therefore, sometimes you have to ask, and the prices varies from where the fish is actually bred. Some fish are actually shipped from overseas, but are not purchased that, you know, not purchased by customers on a regular basis, so they are left in the pet shop for a bit, and they actually grow and become a little bit more pricey, right? So you have several different fish species. Usually fish delivered on Thursdays. So it's Monday, it was a weekend, so I guess probably by tomorrow, this stock of fish that is available now will be refuted and it will be replenished thereafter. And they have several different fish in this best stores, locally bred and imported. I think this is a catfish. I don't remember. No, this is a catfish. I don't remember if it's Japanese. Oh, you have curry. Wow. They have some curry there. All curry catfish. They are a little bit pricey. Alright, they are over the corner. And you have some loaches. Wow, they're a little bit pricey. But they are awesome too. Right? So, this is where I get my fish from in Jamaica. One of the places in which I get my fish from in Jamaica. Several different fish, both imported and locally bred. And presently, there have been a boom in the fish keeping hobby in Jamaica. And a lot of demands have been made for fish that are not seen regularly. So the loaches, from the loaches and the different types of cories that exist. So here you have the hatchet fish, right? And you have the male pictures of the bears, and that's it. So hobby hot people, Tree, Jamaica, Kingston. Catch you next time. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.